What was his name, Jada?
Princess Angelica.
Princess Angelica?
Yeah. No, I mean Princess Rosie Posey.
Oh yeah, Princess Rosie Posey.
He won't fly.
Hold on. Jada, go get my phone.
Okay.
Hurry up.
This is my credit card. Thank you, Mommy.
Oh, there he goes. Go look.
Where is he? And he's gone.
Where'd he go?
He flew in an hour. He flew and
Where did he go?
That's a bird.
I know that bird just didn't eat him.
That bird just eat the butterfly. Yeah, I know. I know it did. He's in the wire.
Where are you going? You don't want to look for the butterfly? Oh, wow.
Wait, there's a butterfly. There's a butterfly.
Let the butterfly loose.
Yeah, and the butterfly.
Before I could
Sean
even
disappeared.
get it on tape real good too.
Ah! Yeah,
That's because Sean touched him.
we saw the butterfly. He's off. Let me see. I want to see. It's
We don't
gone.
have it anymore.
That's
Gone.
we don't see the cocoon inside of
That's
it.
an empty cocoon, Jada.
Can we look inside? Did you take a picture of the butterfly?
Yes, I did.
No, we didn't. I want to see. I want to see. Wait! Oh!
Look at the bottom. Look at the bottom.
Look at the shovel. Look at
I'm
the shovel.
talking to my
Hi, Mariah. Come on. Go! Well, I almost fell. Let me see.
That was it.
Trinity likes me. She'll do whatever I say. She'll do whatever she says.
Hi, Mariah.
Hi. What is that?
Caterpillar's head.
What is that?
The caterpillar came out of its cocoon. We just let it go right now.
What?
We saw a
Yeah.
butterfly. Yeah.
I want to see its head again.
It's going to die.
Okay, bye guys.
I can see what's in the cocoon.
Okay, we'll look at it when we get in the house. Come on,
That
Sean.
was fun.
Did it leave?
Yeah.
It flew away?
Yeah.
I wanted to record it.
Fun.
I got
As soon as
some
I opened up the door,
It flew out.
because Sean touched
Sean
it.
touched it.
It's happy.
It disappeared so fast, and then a bird flew by really quick.
And ate it.
Oh no, we couldn't see it after the bird flew by.
Get out of here.
I can see what's in the
What
cocoon.
else back there?
Look, all the kids came over.
Why?
Because they seen us over here, because he flew that way.
What is he? What's in the
So surprised you didn't go out.
I told you, I don't feel right without you.
I mean, I never stopped you
Look.
before.
Look,
What is that? You were
Fluid?
showing me that.
fluid
Oh, yeah.
from the cocoon, yeah.
That's not blood. It's fluid.
And it's blood.
Oh, look at where it broke it.
Yeah, right there, and
Wait, I want to see.
Oh, it's a butterfly.
I want to see.
There's the bottom of the cage.
Did you name the butterfly? I didn't name
Jada,
it.
what was her name?
What was her name?
Princess Rosie
Princess Rosie Posy.
Once again, not blood.
Oh, you started to wash?
No, I was waiting for you to take a bath first.
I keep using the cocoon. I keep using the cocoon.
Yeah. So, if we see another caterpillar, we could do the whole thing over. Huh?
I doubt it.
I know, I think they're all probably hatched by now.
Mommy.
Well, now we know what we can do.
This cat's crazy. This girl did a car wash these times.
You see that black thing right there, guys? That's the caterpillar's head. It lost its head before it went into that. It's a cocoon. You can see some of the web right there. That red stuff right there. That's all fluid from inside of the cocoon. All that red, it's cocoon fluid. Just let the butterfly go. Hope you guys had a close enough look because you can listen to the story. Fluid. Fluid. It's so gross. Now I gotta wash my hands.
You know, that